Good day, everyone. And now, let us continue to report the item number 2. Number 2 item question is, what error is observed in the sentence below? While Mary was playing, Lucy was doing her chores, and Roger was playing with his phone. Letter A. No comma should have been placed between chores and and. Letter B. Replace was playing with played. And letter C. Faulty use of parallelism. And letter D. There is no error in the sentence. So our group choose the answer letter D. There is no error in the sentence. But first, I have to explain the letter A. Why not letter A? No comma should have been placed between chores and. So the sentence would be like this. While Mary was playing, Lucy was doing her chores and Roger was playing with his phone. So that would be incorrect. It is incorrect because the sentence would be called a run-on sentence. And a run-on sentence is a wrong sentence, which means that a run-on sentence occurs when two or more independent clauses are not joined together properly. So if we have to remove comma after the word chores, so the sentence would be grammatically incorrect. Because obviously, the sentence contains of 2 to 3 independent clauses. And independent clause contains a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. So, letter A is wrong. Letter B. Replace was playing with played. So, of course, it is also a grammatically incorrect because you cannot combine sentence with 3 different participle because the verb played is already a past participles. Okay lang sana kung tigi-isang sentence sila. But of course, you need to add more on the first sentence and the second sentence and the third sentence. Especially that you are using the word while. So while means continuous. The actions is taking place at the same time. So one example is taking place now, and the other example took place in the past, but both are continuous and simultaneous actions, in which the word played is already a past participle of the word play. So we cannot use the word played in a sentence because there is a mixed combination of the sentence that would lead the sentence to be incorrect. Because as you observe in the sentence, the actions was already taking place, but it isn't done yet. So, the letter B is not the correct answer. Letter C, faulty use of parallelism. Is it faulty use of parallelism? I think no. Because as we see, there are 3 different gerund verbs that ends with ing, which are the verb was playing, was doing, and was playing again. So, there is a consistency in this three gerund verb. So, this is not a faulty use of parallelism because the verbs or the gerund verbs are consistent. The last letter is letter D. There is no error in the sentence. Yes, for us, there is no error in the sentence because the sentence has three different subjects and there are also three different verbs. And this sentence have 2 and 3 independent clause in which it contains a subject and a verb that express a complete truth. That's all. Thank you so much for listening.